Are you struggling to get sales? Or is your conversion rate extremely low? It's easy to start a Shopify store, anyone can do it. But to start a successful dropshipping business, now that's a challenge. How do you build a product page that sells? How do you make Facebook ads that actually get sales? And why is it working for everyone so easily? You've probably been there. You find the perfect product to sell. You get all excited about your new store. You start getting traffic. And then nothing happens. 0 sales. And no matter what you do, you still can't make it work. The same thing probably happens to most new dropshippers. With so much bad advice out there, so many bad tools and themes that do nothing except make your site look pretty, hardly anyone can succeed. But it doesn't have to be this way. This theme has helped beginners build 5, 6, and even 7-figure dropshipping businesses, and they had very little to no experience at all. Hi, I'm Connor, and we've created Debutify to give entrepreneurs like you every chance of success. A sales machine that makes you money while you sleep. That's what Debutify is about. Imagine if your conversions increased overnight. If you had 5, 10, or 20 new order requests the morning after you installed Debutify. Within a few months, you're running a money-making business fully on autopilot. What would this mean to you? Freedom to leave the 9-to-5 job? To take control of your life? Finally, you get to enjoy the things that you want. Debutify is made to help you get there. It's got everything you need to succeed straight out of the box. It's blazing fast and mobile optimized, so you're ready for millions of customers on desktop and mobile devices. It packs dozens of sales-boosting add-ons, sales pop, sticky add to cart, countdown timers, upsells, and discount codes. It's all built in. These add-ons will turn your simple product page into a persuasion machine. Debutify also gives you access to 4 step-by-step courses that teach you everything you need to know about dropshipping. Facebook and Google ads, how to make a high-converting store, increase order value, find winning products, and much, much more. It's all revealed to you step by step in 4 premium courses. And it's got live support, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And I'll tell you right now why Debutify is the best theme you can get for free. It's the only theme out there that's built like a funnel. Everything in Debutify is geared towards helping you earn more and sell more, and build a profitable dropshipping store fully on autopilot. Download Debutify today and see the results for yourself. Just click download now and you'll get a 14-day trial with all the premium high-converting features. The training, the fast theme, it's all yours for 14 days. If you like the results, you can keep using it for one low monthly price. And if during the 14 days it doesn't work out for you, you don't pay a dime. And you get to keep the free version forever. Oh, and one last thing, Debutify isn't a magic way to get rich. You will have to work hard and commit. If you're not ready to work hard, if you're going to quit at the first challenge, or if you're not ready to invest in your own business, then please don't download it. But if you're going to wake up every morning ready to grind, to change your life, build a dropshipping empire, then Debutify could help you succeed. So click download now. It's really simple, completely secure, and with one click, you're done. See for yourself how Debutify can turn your simple store into a complete sales machine. Download Debutify today, completely free for 14 days. There's no contracts, we're not going to try and sell you anything, you're just going to get Debutify. So click download now.